This is the brief on donning sterile surgical gloves. Using the aseptic technique to put on these gloves is a really precise sequence designed to ensure the sterile outside never, ever touches your bare skin, which is absolutely crucial for maintaining a safe environment. Mastering this relies entirely on one simple rule. Sterile only touches sterile, and bare skin only touches the inside. First, let's look at that initial glove. To slide it on safely, you've got to pick it up by touching only the inside cuff with your bare hand. Second, moving to your next hand. The source gives a very specific directive to put your hand in between this. Right, so what that actually means is you're sliding your newly gloved, sterile fingers specifically under or in between the folded cuff of the second glove. Think of it like sliding your fingers into a sterile pocket. This protects your gloved hand from touching your bare arm while allowing you to safely lift and don the second glove. Finally, you've got both gloves on, but you need to make some final adjustments. The source shows moving like this, which basically just means carefully pulling and adjusting the gloves into place. From this point forward, you must maintain sterility by only allowing your sterile hands to touch each other. So why is this pocket technique so rigid? Well, a single microbrush of bare skin against the outside totally compromises the entire sterile field. Ultimately, successful aseptic gloving comes down to strict spatial awareness, ensuring your bare skin only ever makes contact with the inside of the cuffs. Master this simple sequence, and you build an invisible but impenetrable wall against contamination.